Imagine having a personal trainer, sleep coach, and mindfulness guide all wrapped up in one sleek device. Sounds too good to be true? Meet the Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch, your ultimate partner in fitness, health, and daily productivity. Let's dive into why this could be the only smartwatch you'll ever need. The Fitbit Versa 4 is built for results. From its Daily Readiness Score that tells you when to push or rest, to its 40-plus exercise modes and built-in GPS, this watch makes staying fit feel effortless. It tracks heart rate 24/7 and even maps your workout intensity. Plus, with a battery life of over 6 days, it's got the stamina to match your lifestyle. Want detailed insights? The included 6-month premium membership unlocks advanced analytics to take your fitness game to the next level. This isn't just about fitness, it's about overall wellness. Features like the stress management score, SpO2 monitoring, and guided breathing sessions help you stay calm and balanced. Add in personalized sleep tracking with a smart wake alarm, and you've got a tool that improves how you sleep, move, and even think. And yes, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, so feel free to swim or sweat it out. With on-wrist calls, Alexa built-in, Fitbit Pay, and customizable faces, the Versa 4 is as practical as it is powerful. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting, this smartwatch has something for everyone. Want to see it in action? Discover its features by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more in-depth reviews.